So, right, let's do question 1, of course. So, you got x squared plus 4x plus 3 equals 0. And then you just complete the square for it. So I'm going to do it super fast, see if you can keep up with this. Minus 4 plus 3 equals 0. Can you see that? That's a bit... Yeah. It looks a bit tricky, isn't it? But can you see what I've done? X plus 2 all squared minus 4 makes the x... You complete the square for that, really.
Wait, it says x squared plus
Yeah, I just realised it's slightly
4x.
different to how I was doing with you, isn't it? Before a second ago. So just x squared plus 4x, completing the square for that gives you x plus 2, because it's half of 4, right? Square
Yeah,
it, then take away the extra 4 that you get,
yeah.
and then add a 3. So what does that get you?
Why do you take away the 4?
Yeah, okay.
Wait,
So,
x squared plus 8x. That'll be plus 4x.
do you get it yet?
Plus 4x, and then you do plus 4. So you have to minus 4.
Exactly, yes. Because x plus 2 all squared gives you x squared plus 4x plus 4. And
Oh,
so,
it's the same thing.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, and then you get x plus 2 squared minus 1. Whoops, there you go. Equals 0. So you
Yeah,
can see that minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. And here comes the solving bit. So x plus 2 all squared equals 1, because I moved the minus
yeah,
1 to there. Then you square root both sides, so you've got x plus 2 equals the square root of 1, which is actually always two things. It's plus or minus the square root of 1,
yeah.
which is just, what's the square root of 1? 1, isn't it? Yeah?
Okay.
Okay, and then you move that to the other side, so x equals, well,
Um,
1 minus 2,
minus, so
yeah,
it'll be
minus
minus something.
minus
Uh,
1, and
minus 3.
yeah, that's it.
Okay,
Okay,
I'm right now.
cool. Does it all make sense?
Yeah, 1 second. Okay. If it was like square root like 3,
Yeah, well,
can you just leave it?
excellent question. Okay, so you can get that, but then they'll say give the answer in third form, which means you leave the square root 3 in there as part of the
Okay.
answer. So the answer could be square root 3 plus 1 or whatever. Do you know what I mean?
Okay.
So good question. Good question. Okay. Might as well do another one. So question 2.
Okay. Should I do it myself or would you need to get them?
Yeah. Since you asked, let's do it together.
Okay.
Let's do it on the spot. So I'll write the question down. Plus 12x plus 27 equals 0. What's next?
You do x plus 6
Good.
squared.
Yeah.
Uh, um, I think it's plus 12x and then 36. So you minus 9.
Oh wow, you did it so much in your head. Well done. Okay, that's yeah, you're right. Basically, minus 9. Wow. Okay, so x plus 6 all squared minus 9 equals 0. What's next?
And then you have to put the minus 9 on the other side,
Yep.
which is 9.
Cool.
And then you square root the 9,
Yeah.
which is
Okay.
3.
Okay, so plus or minus
3.
3. Yeah.
Then you minus 6.
Yep. Excellent.
So x can be either, if it was plus 3, it would be minus 3.
Yeah.
Or if it was minus 3, it would be minus 9.
You got it. 100%. Let's see if you get tricked with question 6.
Let me just copy it down.
Sure.
Will it always be plus minus?
Yes. Because when you square root, you get always equal and opposite answers.
Okay. I've finished copying it down.
Cool. So question 6.
Do you just do x plus 4,
Cool. Let me just. Yep. So x plus 4 all squared. Yep.
which equals to x squared plus 8x
Yep.
plus 16.
Cool.
So you minus 16.
Excellent. And it's still equal to 0. Good stuff.
Yeah. And then you add 16 on the other side.
Yep.
So, and then you do square root it, so it'll be plus minus 4.
Yep.
Then you minus 4,
Cool.
so it can be 0 or
Yep.
minus 8.
You got it. Nice one. So you can't really get tricked. I mean, if we looked at 8 for a second, it'd be the same stuff. Complete the square for that. Then it's equal to 13 instead. And then you move, I mean, it's whatever. In question 10, nothing really that special. Good idea to move that 10x to the other side. So you got x squared minus 10x. Do you know what I mean? So at least you got something to complete the square for. Should we quickly do that one?
Yeah. What do you just do? X squared minus 12x minus 13 equals to 0.
Okay, don't make question 10.
Question. Oh no, I'm talking about question 8.
Question 8. Oh yeah, yeah. So you complete the square. No, you don't have to worry about that 13. Let's quickly do this one. So
Okay.
equals 13. Just complete the square for x squared minus 12. So sorry, let's do it straight away. So completing the square for x squared minus 12x is obviously, minus 6 squared minus 36. Notice I just squared the 6 straight away, yeah?
Yeah.
Equals 13. So x
Oh, so you
minus.
just leave it.
Exactly. What is that? 13 plus 36, 49. And it's a
Mhm.
nice square number. Anyway, x equals plus or minus 7 and whatever. Yeah? That gives you
Yeah.
two different answers.
For
Yeah?
question 10, do you just do x squared minus 10x
Um,
equals to minus 9?
exactly. Good stuff. Question 10, x squared minus 10x equals minus 9, and then do the same old business for that. Yeah, x minus 5 squared minus 25 equals minus 9 plus 25 and whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, nice
Yeah.
one. So you can there's a final bit of practice. Question 14. Let's see if you can do it. Should we do it together?
One second, let me just get a new piece of paper.
I think you might recognize this. We did something like this a minute ago. See if you still remember the technique with stuff in front of the x squared. Whatever you're doing, is it anything like what I've got on the screen?
What are you doing?
Oh, can you see it? I'll point to it. This one here. I left a
Oh,
few gaps though. One
yeah,
gap there, one gap there.
yeah.
Yeah, cool.
If it was minus 9, do you do minus 18 or minus
Well,
9?
be careful. When you take the 3 out, that becomes a 6x.
What comes to 6?
The 18 divided by 3.
Oh no, I'm doing the last bit.
Okay. So hopefully you
I
have
got plus, for that part I got plus 6x.
like that.
Minus 9. Yeah, I think.
Cool. Yeah.
Why do you write minus 9?
Okay. So I'm gonna.
Oh
I'll
yeah,
just.
yeah, yeah, minus 9. Oh
Yeah.
yeah, I wrote that.
Yeah. Cool. Okay. And then.
And then you have to times it all out, which is minus 27. Do you do minus 27 minus 9?
Yeah.
Or do you do minus 27 minus 9?
So no, just minus 9. There is no minus minus, is there? Minus 27 minus 9.
Minus 26. So you add 36,
Cool.
which equals 2. And then you can
Oh, this is going to be a third without me
square
realizing it. Well,
root it.
you the problem is this is good that we're doing it. If you square root that, you have to square root this. Now normally that's not a problem, but we've got this thing in front which
Oh
causes a
yeah.
problem.
So you
So
just divide it by 3 first.
very clever. Okay.
Which is 12. And then you square root
Yeah.
both sides.
Let's put a plus or minus just to remind ourselves, even though square root 12 means plus or minus 12, but in this case you really need to remind yourself, that it means 2, 3, 2 things. Sorry, what am I doing? Get rid of that. Okay. Yeah, and that would be possibly good enough. Maybe you could simplify the square root 12 using
Would it be
surds.
plus minus 9? Can you write that?
Why would it be plus or minus 9?
Because you do 12 minus 3.
It's not 12 minus, you square root of 12 minus 3.
Then how do you write that?
And that's it, surd. That's a surd answer. In
Yeah.
fact, for surd, when you write in the surd form, you don't need plus or minus, so you could just write that. It would be nice, maybe. I'm just thinking. Do you remember how to simplify this surd square root 12? What does it become?
Like 2
Yeah?
and then square root 3.
Yay, you remembered. Good. That's it. 2 root 3 minus 3 if they were being fussy. If they say write the answer in the form a root 3 minus b or something. Do you know what I mean? Do you get that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so you're good at that now.